Right, Carys, so your marks so far 59, 62, 71. You're one of the most consistent performers in the class. So let's see how you've got on this time. Okay, 3, 2. This is your first mistake. It's in the hundreds column, but because it's 6, its value is 600. Okay, if they'd asked you about the 9, it would have been 9,000. If they'd asked you for the value of the 5, it would have been 50, and so on. So you drop a mark there. Those are right, that's right, and that's right. Excellent. Right, you've goofed here. That should be a 10. And 7 and 8. That's correct. Although even actually for your table, you've got two modes because you've got two biggest values. But it's the correct answer, so you will get the mark. So you lose a mark for there. You get that 1. Right, I'm going to clobber you here. You need to use a pencil. There need to be gaps between your marks, between your columns. And these should be in the middle of your columns, not at the end. Okay, so you're going to lose 3 out of the 4 marks for those errors. I've been harsh with the pencil, but the other 2 are important. That is correct. That is an angle. AEB is that angle. I don't want an angle, I want a side. The side is AE, which is at right angles to DC. BC is correct. That one's wrong, that one's right. So watch how I do that in the video clip, make sure that you're happy with it. But if you just look, ADE is that angle there, is clearly less than 90 degrees, so your little voice inside your head should have been yelling at you as you were writing down 110, how can it be? 1, 2, 3, 4 for the page. That is obtuse. Now, 2 diagonals are correct, but because you put on these vertical horizontal ones, they're wrong. If you put a mirror along there, it would reflect that square over there, and it's not there. And if you put a mirror along there, it would reflect that square down there, and it's not there. So the fact that you've got those 2 wrongs cancel out the 2 correct ones. With this one, it's asking you to shade as few squares as possible. Yours is shaded in to make it symmetrical, but there are fewer squares that you need. Okay, so again, have a look at my video clip for that. I can't give you the marks for that. Those are right. That is wrong. If it's cm cubed, that means you're talking about volume. Centimeters squared is what we should be looking for there. So your counting squares is correct, but your units are wrong. So 3 for the page. That's a good page. Full marks for that page. Okay, so you've got a multiplication method, but it is not giving you the right answer. So let's have a look. 24, 28. So your top is wrong. Okay, the way that you've done it, if I just lay it out over here, first one, you got 4 times 6 is 24. 4 down, carry 2. 7 fours are 28, and 2, 30. Then one you multiply by the 5, you're in fact multiplying by 50, so you have to add the naught. Then you do 5 sixes are 30, 7 fives are 35, and the 3 is 38. Then you add those up, so you get 4, 0, 11, 4, 4, 1, 0, 4. So your top one is wrong and your bottom one is wrong. So I can't give you any further marks other than your attempt. 3 8s are correct, but 6s, that should be, shouldn't it? 3 times 6 is 18. 2166 is correct. Watch my video clip for that one. You've done that one well, and that one's wrong. There's no method, I can't give you the mark. It's a B. Total for the page 245. That's correct. Well done. That's very good. And so is that. So you get 11 full marks to that page. Well done. Now then, where have we got in a knot here? This is wrong. What you need to do inside this triangle, those two little marks are telling you it's isosceles, which means those two angles are the same. So if you do 180 take away 56, which is 124, that tells you what those two angles add up to. Because they're both the same, we can just halve them to get the size of them. So I can't give you any marks for that, and then this one is wrong as well. 180 less 43 is correct, is 157. But then you now know that that angle is 62, and you have to take that angle off as well. So no, can't give you anything for that. That's correct, that's correct. That's not a line of best fit. You're trying to draw something else there. It looks like a cumulative frequency curve to me. You don't need to worry about cumulative frequency for November. That will be next summer. So your line of best fit, what it should be is a straight line using a ruler, which is in pretty much the same slope as most of the points. So you're looking at something like that. And then you would be reading that off, okay? But it's not 164, it's 64. So you can't get either of those last two marks, 3 marks for the page. Watch my clip to explain that. This is good, that's excellent. That is 7 good marks to score. Well done. Your square is right, your parallelogram is right, and your trapezium is right. Well done. Take a look at my clip for that. You should be able to get your head around that. No, you've gone about that the wrong way. Basically, you should know that all the exterior angles add up to 360, but it's not a regular one because they're different sizes. So what you do is you take those off 360, and what's left is the other side. That's correct. Minus 13, you've lost the D there. Okay, 8D take away 21D is 13D, apart from that it's right. And I think they would they'd give you the credit for that. And this is beautiful, well done. Excellent, bang on. 3, 6, 9. That's a good recovery in those harder questions there. So, Carys, what did I say? 71 is your best so far. I don't think you'd have beat 71. Oh, hang on. I am totted up this page. 3, 5, 9, 10, 16. Okay, so let's see. 16, 20, 23, 33, 38, 49, 52, 59, 68, close, but it isn't your best. It's possible 68 will get you a C, but I'm playing safe and saying you need 70, so I'm saying that that's a grade D, but it's only 2 marks off a grade C. And you dropped quite a couple of careless little marks there, so you easily get that back. That's good. Well done, Carys.